In this video, we'll learn how to insert a table in Microsoft Word. Tables help organize information neatly, making documents clearer and more structured. Let's explore 3 easy ways to insert a table. The first method is using the ribbon. Place your cursor where you want the table, then go to the Insert tab and click Table. A grid appears. Hover over it to select the number of rows and columns. Once you've chosen the size, click to insert your table. This method allows quick selection for tables up to 8 rows by 10 columns. If you need a larger table, use the Insert Table option. Click Table in the Insert tab, then select Insert Table from the drop-down. A dialog box appears where you can manually enter the number of rows and columns. You can also adjust autofit settings to optimize the table width based on content or window size. Click OK to insert the table. For a more customized layout, try drawing a table. Click Table in the Insert tab, then select Draw Table. Your cursor turns into a pencil. Click and drag to create the table's outline. You can even draw individual cells or merge sections, making this method great for complex layouts. Once inserted, you can modify your table's structure, format, and content using table tools in Word. That's it. You now know 3 ways to insert tables in Microsoft Word. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more Microsoft Office tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.